Welcome to channel. In this video, we will learn how to do Me Too on Amazon. Me Too refers to the practice of selling the same product as another seller on Amazon. To do Me Too on Amazon, follow these steps. Step 1. Search for the product you want to sell. Go to Amazon's homepage and search for the product you want to sell. If you find the product, move to the next step. If you don't find the product, you cannot do Me Too on that product. Step 2. Click on the product page. Click on the product page to see if other sellers are already selling the product. Look for the Other Sellers on Amazon section on the page. Step 3. Check the seller options. If there are other sellers, check if the Sell on Amazon button is available. If it is available, you can sell the product. If the button is not available, it means the product is restricted, and you cannot sell it. Step 4. Create a seller account. If you don't already have a seller account on Amazon, create one. You will need to provide your personal and business information to set up the account. Step 5. List your product. Once you have a seller account, go to the Inventory tab and click on Add a Product. Enter all the required information about your product, including its name, description, and price. Step 6. Set the price. Set your price based on the competition and your profit margin. Keep in mind that Amazon charges fees for selling on its platform, so factor those into your pricing strategy. Step 7. Fulfillment method. Choose your fulfillment method. You can either fulfill the orders yourself or use Amazon's fulfillment services, FBA. Step 8. Submit your product listing. Once you have entered all the required information, submit your product listing. Amazon will review your listing, and it should be up and running within a few hours. Step 9. Monitor your sales. Monitor your sales regularly and adjust your pricing and fulfillment strategies accordingly. Stay competitive and provide excellent customer service to boost your sales. In conclusion, doing Me Too on Amazon involves finding a product, checking if other sellers are already selling it, creating a seller account, listing your product, setting a price, choosing your fulfillment method, submitting your product listing, and monitoring your sales. By following these steps, you can start selling on Amazon and grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.